When it comes to jigsaws, it's very difficult to beat the DEWALT DW331 jigsaw. Now this is 701 watts of power, which in a jigsaw is very, very high. Extremely easy to use. You have the trigger switch just on the underside of the hand guard there. Fully adjustable speed, which is very, very handy because you can use it across all materials, everything from soft alloys right up to hardwoods. You've got the dust extraction. This comes in two methods. You have the blower, which is either switched on or off at the front there, which as you're cutting through something will actually push the light swarf out the way. The dust extraction system, which you just clip on there and lock into position. And this is universal across loads of DEWALT tools. To adjust the blade itself, you have three positions. Again, for which material that you're actually cutting through, you might find it's suitable. Normally on something like this, you'll just have it in an upright position. And the most important thing, obviously you've got the smooth base there, but swapping the blade couldn't be easier. This is an all metallic blade holding system, so there's no plastic parts in there at all. You just pull the front like that, slip your blade in to the housing, and then that's it locked into position. And when you come to swap your blade, if the blade's still hot, you just click it and it can fall out, so you don't need to touch it with your fingers. Common mistake from apprentices there. So we'll just drop that back in. Specs on, extraction on, we're ready to go. Look at that. Fantastic.